Hey guys, it's me Paige, and today we're here at General Assembly Pizza to try their unbelievable pizzas, salads, and wines on tap. I'm so excited and super starving. Alright guys, so I have 4 pizzas in front of me right now, one of which is vegan too, which is so fun and exciting. We have 2 beautiful salads here, and I'm definitely starved at this point, so I'm just gonna go right in. This one that I'm trying is the Don Diego pizza, and the thing that's really nice about these pizzas that I've noticed just by looking at them is that they're all super thin and have a really nice airy crust. All those flavors are really just like blended together so nicely, and they're all complementing each other so well. I usually hate cilantro, and I really like it on this pizza, so that's saying something. Alright guys, so I'm so excited to try this salad because it has one of my favorite snacks ever, candied pecans. And some nice grated apple and some great arugula, so let's see if I can get a good bite going. Everything in General Assembly's food really complements each other nicely. It's a very simple combination of things that just makes total sense when you eat it. So this pizza is actually the one I'm most excited for because it's vegan. So we have some nice eggplant here, some green onions, I think shaved garlic flakes as well. So I'm super excited to get into it. Honestly guys, I'm getting pretty full, but never too full for pizza. That's so tasty guys. If you're vegan or vegetarian, or even if your New Year's resolution was to cut back on some meat, this is definitely a great option if you're checking out General Assembly. So no pizza dinner is complete without some nice wine, and General Assembly has wine on tap, which is absolutely incredible. I poured myself a generous glass, so make sure you get your girls together or your significant other and come down to General Assembly for a nice pizza and wine day.